there's lots of cute videos online of furfish and people interacting with furfish, right? You find them at archaeological sites. The spines are extremely sort of what we call taphonomically durable, and means they preserve in the archaeological record pretty well. As well as some of the cranial features, some of the skull, particularly their upper and lower jaws. Yeah, and so they look like little beaks basically, because their upper and lower jaw bones are fused together. And so you find them sort of commonly, but not in large quantities. So you don't really find a lot of these fish, a lot of individual fish in archaeological sites themselves. However, here at Mound Key, it's a bit of an anomaly. We have deposits that have upwards of hundreds of these individuals themselves, but only the cranial, those upper and lower jaws are present in the archaeological record. We don't have any of the spines from any of the deposits on Mound Key, which we do find at other sites across Florida, and it's something a project that I'm currently working on right now. But they also carry a toxin in many, many different parts of their body. It's the same toxin that's in fugu, so the traditional sort of Japanese delicacy of your pufferfish, and it's tetrodotoxin. It can kill a person within a couple hours after ingesting it, and they have to be prepared very specific ways. But yeah, it's sort of a really, really weird thing that I am working on right now, and sort of trying to answer some questions about why we only have very certain parts of the fish here at Mound Key, and why we have hundreds of individual fish here, whereas at other sites in Florida, you only have a couple of individuals actually represented in the deposits. So they're a really cool fish. There's not a lot of meat to them. So they're not necessarily something we would traditionally think as a major food source. But something else is going on to where furfish are being used in high quantities here on Mound Key. For what reason, I have no idea. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, super cool.